We opened the store, Lotus Everything for Professional Baking, basically to help people who enjoy baking and cooking, to get all the high-quality ingredients they can't usually get at regular supermarkets. In the beginning, when we first opened the store, it was open for only a few hours during the day. And this is where Nayax's Nova Market came into play. From the moment we implemented Nova Market, we were able to leave the store active 24/7, every hour of the day, without spending our time in the store. First of all, this saves us a lot of operational costs and also employment-related costs. A customer can enter the store, take any product, scan its barcode, and pay by themselves. When we started, we were afraid we would lose customers who were used to paying in cash. But what actually happened was that the average amount spent per customer went up and kept going up. People put more products in their shopping carts. We actually found that when a person is alone in the store, they feel more freedom to try out new products they haven't purchased before. People can come in at any time. We have store entries at midnight and even at 4 a.m. This has definitely increased sales significantly, by at least 40%.